Okay students, so let's talk about what exactly Shannon and Weaver have. The Shannon-Weaver model is one of the first and most influential of communication. In 1948, Shannon was an American mathematician electronic engineer, while Weaver was an American scientist. Both of them joined together to write an article in Bell System Technical Journal called Mathematical Theory of Communication, and also called as Shannon-Weaver Model of Communication.
Understanding Shannon and Weaver Model of Communication. This model is specially designed to develop the effective communication between sender and receiver. Also, they find factors which affecting the communication process called noise. At first, the model was developed to improve the technical communication. Later, it's widely applied in the field of communication.
And here are the illustration of the parts of the Shannon and Weaver model.
The 5 essential parts of the Shannon-Weaver model. 1. Information. 2. Transmitter. 3. Channel. 4. Receiver. And last, destination.
After we mention the 5 examples of parts of Shannon-Weaver model, let's give it an explanation.
Information. The source of information is usually a person and decides which message to send. The message can take various forms such as a sequence of letters, sounds, or image. Transmitter. The transmitter is responsible for translating the message into a signal. To send the signal, a channel is required.
Channel. Channel are ways of transmitting signals like lights, sound wave, radio wave, and electrical wires. Receiver. The receiver ordinarily performs the inverse operation of that done by the transmitter, reconstructing the message from the signal.
Destination. The destination is the person for whom the message was intended.
Noise is any that garbles or makes the message less clear. Take notes that noise can come in many forms such as psychological noise, when there is a problem with the health of the person talking or listening. Semantic noise, when a person does completely understand what he or she is saying or hearing. Environment noise, where there is a problem with the environment like a noisy room.
And now, I will give an example of how does the model work.
Practical example of Shannon and Weaver model of communication. Daryl wants to see Manjares. So Daryl calls Manjares and says, "I want to see you." But Manjares did not hear Daryl clearly because it was too loud and noisy at Manjares' place. So Manjares only heard "I want" coming from Daryl. So Manjares asked Daryl what he wants or what Daryl's need. So due to transmission error or noise, Manjares can't able to understand Daryl's message.
After discussion, we have prepared 5 questions if you really understood about Shannon and Weaver. Once again, thank you and keep learning.